What if your smartphone, camera, or even a tiny sensor could run artificial intelligence right where the data is created? That's the idea behind Edge AI. Artificial intelligence allows computers to analyze information, recognize patterns, and make decisions or predictions from data. In a traditional AI system, a device may collect data, send it to a powerful computer or cloud server, and wait for the result. But constantly sending data away can create delays, require a network connection, consume energy, and sometimes raise privacy concerns.
Edge AI changes the approach. Instead of sending everything to the cloud, artificial intelligence can run closer to where the data is created.
The word edge simply means processing information closer to the device, sensor, or machine that produces the data. Cloud AI is powerful because it can use large computing systems. Edge AI focuses on bringing some of that intelligence closer to the device. One major advantage is speed. When information is processed locally, a device can respond quickly without waiting for a distant server. Edge AI can also reduce the amount of raw data that needs to be transmitted. Instead of sending everything, the device can send only useful results. So Edge AI is about bringing intelligence closer to the real world, helping devices respond faster, reduce data movement, and operate more independently. Edge AI begins with data. Sensors collect information from the real world, such as images, sound, temperature, movement, or distance. The device then processes that information locally using an AI model running on its own hardware. An AI model is essentially a trained mathematical system that has learned to recognize patterns in data. The model is usually trained beforehand using powerful computers. Once trained, an optimized version can be placed inside the Edge device. But Edge devices often have limited memory and processing power, so AI models must be optimized to become smaller and more efficient. Once the model is running, the device can analyze new data and produce a prediction, for example, recognizing a person, sound, object, or unusual event. Smart cameras can use Edge AI to detect objects, recognize movement, monitor environments, and identify specific events without constantly sending video to the cloud. Edge AI can also work with sound. A small device can recognize keywords, commands, or unusual sounds locally. Notice how it isolates the keyword. Edge AI is already useful in devices such as smartphones, where local AI can support features like image recognition, speech processing, and intelligent camera functions. Privacy can also improve when sensitive information stays on the device instead of being sent somewhere else for processing. In smart homes, Edge AI can help devices recognize activity, understand commands, and respond quickly without sending every sensor reading to the internet. Vehicles can also benefit from Edge AI. Local processing can help machines analyze sensor information quickly and support functions such as object detection and environmental awareness. In factories, Edge AI can analyze vibration, sound, temperature, and other signals to detect unusual machine behavior before a serious failure occurs. In agriculture, Edge AI could analyze soil and environmental conditions locally, helping automated systems respond quickly while using very little communication bandwidth. Robots can use Edge AI to recognize objects, understand sounds, detect obstacles, and react to their surroundings without depending entirely on a remote computer. Wearable and monitoring devices could also use Edge AI to analyze sensor information locally, enabling faster responses while reducing unnecessary data transmission. But Edge AI has challenges. Small devices have limited processing power, memory, battery capacity, and physical space, so AI models must be carefully optimized. As AI models become smaller, hardware becomes more powerful. Edge AI could bring intelligent decision-making to an enormous number of devices around us. The big idea is simple. Edge AI moves intelligence closer to where data is created. Devices can sense, process, decide, and act locally. Edge AI is changing the way we think about intelligent machines. And as that technology improves, the world around us could become faster, smarter, and more right at the edge. Thanks for learning with Ethan. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy-to-understand engineering video.